Good evening, viewers. Today I am doing a book review on a book called Learn How to Master the Art of Karting by Terence Dove. I was asked to review it, so here's my review. The book called Learn How to Master the Art of Karting is about how to take things to the next level as a karter, like braking techniques, wet driving, building your confidence, and changing your lines or techniques to get faster. These are the three sections that I found the most useful. 1. Mindset. The first three chapters covers this, including eliminating doubt, improving concentration, and boosting your self-esteem. There is a number of things that I included as part of my race day after reading this book that really helped. Wet lines. I like the chapter about wet lines because it helped me understand why I should use wet lines and what they are, particularly crossing the slippery rubbered up line in the wet. Braking is a great chapter because it helped me understand when and how to trail brake that makes me the demon under braking that I am. The biggest downside of this book is where it is written for all ages, so younger people might not have the vocabulary to understand some words. For me, there was a number of words that I needed my dad to explain to me or look up, like efficiency meaning, which is the ability to produce a desired or intended result. The pictures in here are really good, and they're very detailed as well. So this picture talks about hitting your braking points, turning points, apex points, and exit points. They made me really understand, and it's got loads of other pictures in here that also help. My ratings: 10 out of 10 content, 10 out of 10 diagrams, 8 out of 10 readability, and a 9.5 out of 10 overall. I recommend this book to any karters to help them regardless of their level. If they are under 10, they might need to read it with an adult. If you want me to review a karting product, please let me know and send it to me so I can review it. Alright guys, that's a wrap for the day, and please hit that notification bell, subscribe button, like button, and also drop a comment in there. It really helps. Bye guys.